Hey guys, Ryan here, and in this video I'm going to cover a method of suspending games and applications in Linux and Windows using an open source tool called Nyrna. One of the best features of modern gaming consoles is the ability to suspend applications and then return to them later. For example, you might be playing something like Horizon Zero Dawn on your PS4 and decide to take a break and go and watch something on Netflix. So what does the console do? It suspends the game and then diverts all resources except RAM to the newly launched application. Nyrna attempts to mimic this behaviour on the PC platform. So for this particular video I'm going to demonstrate the tool running on Ubuntu 21.04, but I can also confirm it works on Windows 10 as well. So the installation process is simple. There is none. Well, at least on Linux there isn't, as the application is bundled as a appimage, making it distribution agnostic. Alternatively, if you're running Windows, then just install it using the installation package. Either way, once you've downloaded or installed the application, launch it. The interface itself is simple, and all you need to do to suspend an application is click the green dot. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to play a video in Chrome at 1440p, and I'll leave the system monitor open so that you can see the CPU usage disappear once the application is suspended. And to make it reappear again, click the dot again. As you can see, it has just shot up again. So Nyrna is a great utility for when you need to regain some system resources, for example if you're in the middle of a long rendering job or a gaming session, but you don't necessarily want to close those applications. So with that, it brings this video to an end. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to leave a like if you found the video helpful, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. See you again soon, bye!